Now, some big news you might have missed over the weekend, what with that, small family wedding going on in Windsor. BMW has announced another recall after our investigations. That's two recalls now, because you told us there are serious safety issues in some of its most popular cars. They're not just losing power, which of course is bad enough. That led to more than 300,000 cars being recalled. We also found that some were catching fire. Now, BMW accepted on Friday that they would need to recall another 88,000 cars because of this. Now, what Lee Cobley experienced is what we want to stop.
A whole car went up in a fireball, starting from just behind the dashboard.
And you stood there, basically watching your car and all your stuff on fire, and then just so close to your house as well.
Absolutely.
Within minutes, the fire service was on the scene.
And they said if they'd been like a minute later, we'd have lost the house.
More people got in touch telling us that just like Lee in our film, your BMWs had also caught fire when they were parked with their engines off. Peter Smith, Mark Taylor and Kate Pierce all emailed us with shocking photos of their burnt out Beamers.
Yeah, and of course, this isn't just a problem, Nikki, if you've got a BMW. It's about the safety of all drivers on the roads if there's cars like this out there.
Yeah, it's terrifying. If you were driving on a roadway and you just suddenly stopped.
Yeah, the car in front of you stops, it would be bad news, wouldn't it? Well, BMW will be getting in touch with all affected drivers directly. We asked the company to come in and update us on this. It wouldn't. But it said this new recall involves replacing the wiring harness of the blower regulator, and it affects 3 series models manufactured between December 2004 and July 2011. Do get in touch with them if you have one of these models. Also, lots of people